We're not trying to aspire or pretend to be like a bank or an insurance company with 100 years of history. We're trying to drive something new. We're trying to create new value that they haven't addressed.
You basically build a bank from home. Yeah. During this virus time, everyone was stuck at home. No, can I say that way? It's one of the first banks that has been built almost from home, right? From the sofa.
Yeah, I mean, we were very aware of business continuity, and luckily we are a digital company. I mean, we kind of born in this kind of culture. So operating online, collaborating, using digital tools, that's a very kind of natural thing for our culture.
What makes you special? What's your killing feature?
First, I think once we believe in user experience will sell. It's different from a bank that is more intuitive and more simpler. We won't be the main bank for sure. Kind of between a secondary bank as well as a more
daily transactions.
Yeah.
So how you want to make money with this?
Of course, we have loans.
Right.
We have to establish more income sources. And can you guess how old is our customers? The oldest one.
Oldest one.
Oldest one.
65, 67, 70?
93.
93.
Yeah.
Wow. The next one is
Yep.
going to be the SME account.
Put it this way, ZBank would have like the retail banking business, which is officially launched.
Yes.
On that front, we're gonna roll out more services. We have announced a strategic partnership with Visa,
Yes.
which shows that we are working on something on payment, right?
Right.
This is Alvi, and that is Zappi. Zappi. So it's Zappi and Alvi.
Okay.
So it's like our brand characters. How to make financial services, including banking or insurance, less boring.
Lighthearted, something more cheerful.
Yeah.
Do you see that as a differentiation factor also for you as from other virtual banks, from the existing banks?
We don't know what are they cooking in the kitchen, right? So, but I think we enjoy working with them, and sometimes we feel our users will appreciate a little bit of humor or a little bit of cuteness.
But when it comes to like my lifetime savings, I mean, these are cute characters, but do I really feel, secure? Or maybe I will go to this boring bank, wait in the line and I'll put my money there.
We're not trying to aspire or pretend to be like a bank or an insurance company with 100 years of history.
Right.
We're here, we're back with tech. We're trying to drive something new. We're trying to create new value that they haven't addressed. It's very simple things like that I think we're trying to pursue, and then just hopefully we get to.
What makes it different besides that it's fully digital? What makes it different from any other insurance companies that operate here?
It's about reaching out to a new group of customers that were unaddressed. So we know here in Hong Kong, there's still a major protection gap. A lot of individuals at the individual level is still not protected. Crux and the breakthrough point will be figuring out the right formula, using our technology to kind of create the kind of breakthrough product to kind of get through the customer. So leveraging technology to build dynamic pricing or dynamic kind of protections. I think that's a big problem in Hong Kong market, right? It's despite like the large premium per individual that exists, and that's largely due to the investment element. Actual protection, when people do not understand actual protection for their families.
Do you guys buy insurance for yourself, for your relatives, for your wife's kids already?
Of course.
Yeah. I just bought it. I just bought over the weekend.
A little appreciated.
Yeah.
Do you hold Bitcoin?
No.
Why?
No time.
If you have a job different from what you do now, what will you choose?
Full-time dad.
Full-time?
Daddy.
Daddy. If you're now back in university, which course you will take?
I will take programming
Programming?
and user experience design.
Why?
That's how I can build and by my own hand with my idea.
Okay, we're done.
I can have my own pocket money now, and before my mom didn't let me. because we're building this whole ecosystem for this new generation.